Well, TMB say happy morning. Good today again and live and well. It's a little piece of song me I gonna give you this morning. It's all about the friend them we always see you when you have your things, but them don't do it when you did it. When you want them, you understand? Even family members like that too, you know. Say, friend when you there, when you there, 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 Mr. For Friendship Avenue, don't see you, friend when you there. When you're there, friend, when you're there. When you're there, Mr. Work having you, me no see you. Friend, when you're there. When you're there, friend, when you're there. When you're there, lonely zone, but me no see you. Friend, when you're there. When you're there, 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 me come down a church avenue, so don't see you. Not to pray, you not even pray for me. So, friend, when you're there. When you're there, friend, when you're there, when you're there, friend, when you're there, when you're there, Mr. Paspen having you and you me see you. Just so me see you, I compose up to friend when you're there, when you're there, friend when you're there, when you're there, friend when you're there, when you're there, poverty having you not there, friend when you're there, when you're there, friend when you're there, when you're there, friend when you're there, when you're there. Guess what happened to you? Now me I spend me money I want spend too. Friend when you did that, when you did that, friend when you did that, friend when you did that. Well, one love, one heart, one destiny, one God, one dynasty. You see we believe now God is doing everything for a purpose. I mean I tell you, my fans and family, that say yo, don't sell out. Don't make corona make a sell out because remember mad cow disease. Me have a cow a man and a half for me 3,000 for 3 cow now. And me kinda let go my cow them and me lose them. So experience teaches wisdom, you know. So me I say the mad cow this year, them I say kinda have a part to play with animal. Don't make nobody fool you up and make you not say fool you up, but nobody make you get coward. Just keep yourself fit up and go and take up your vitamin C and thing. And wash your hand. Have your animal clothes where you deal with the animal in. You understand? Wash your hand and make a thing straight up. Because guess what happen now? At the end of this day, we are going to still need the animal them. Then we lose all of them. And when we lose them, then we have to go buy them for a high price from somebody else who believe in wise and control everything. So Westmoreland, Jamaica and whole, don't sell out. Just go and be the thing. Sell one cocoa, yes, and go and eat. But no matter get mad and give everything and say rare because at the end of the day this will pass. You know, I think worse and it's coming and it pass. We all might not there, but we say even if you left where you have to somebody else where it might be a family member or something, those who good to you because I will say we have some family member we not see them one time we down there need, but one time we have fly, them they don't want to take down out of the sky. So bless up and peace I said. Yeah man, TMB said peace out, one love, one destination, one God, one world, one people, one blood. Love you all. Subscribe, likes, and comment if you have a comment too. See, peace unto you.